Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your rewards card for direct deposit functionality, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your card is properly set up and ready to receive funds. Step 1. Locate the activation information that came with your rewards card. This usually includes a phone number, website URL, or activation code. Step 2. Visit the card issuer's official website or call the activation phone number provided on the card or packaging materials. Step 3. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code when prompted. Have this information ready before starting the process. Step 4. Create or log into your online account associated with the rewards card. You'll need to set up a username and password. Step 5. Navigate to the direct deposit settings section within your account dashboard. This is usually found under Account Settings or Payment Options. Step 6. Provide your employer or payer with your card's routing number and account number. These numbers are essential for setting up direct deposit. Step 7. Verify all the information you've entered is correct before submitting. Double-check the routing and account numbers to avoid delays. Step 8. Wait for confirmation that your direct deposit has been successfully set up. This may take 1 to 2 business days to process fully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.